Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to sign up for Otter AI. If you want to get started with Otter AI, then you'll first need to go ahead and create a new account. To do so, first download the Otter AI application if you are doing this with the help of your mobile device. You can also go to your web browser and type in Otter AI and follow through the sign up process. Let me quickly open up the application to get started. Once you've opened up your app, in order to sign up for your Otter AI, you'll need to go ahead and pick one of the options in the first interface. You can continue signing up with your work email or sign up using your Apple ID, Google account, or Microsoft account. Here, let me choose the Continue with Google option, which is located at the bottom. In the pop-up, tap on the Continue button in order to allow Otter to use google.com to sign in if you've chosen google.com. On the next page, enter your Google account's credential, that is your email or phone number associated with your Google account. After you are done, tap Next and then enter your password on the next field. After typing in your correct password for your Google account, tap Next. Wait for a few seconds and then you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for Otter AI. That is how you can easily sign up Otter AI account in a few simple steps. Now you can use the Otter AI service to write automatic meeting notes with real-time transcriptions, recorded audio, automated slide capture, and automated meeting summaries. That is how you can easily finish up signing up for Otter AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.